welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into something that I think a lot of us find both beautiful and challenging: clouds. I'll diving into the study of painting clouds
He's an excellent judge of character.
and focusing on capturing their depth, texture, and light. This video is all about exploring the techniques and detail that make clouds come to the life on canvas. So stay tuned as we break down the process step by step. For sunset, the gradient of the sky will be from the darker blue to the purple through the more of red pinkish and then orange and then yellow because of the sun, and then orange again. For the cloud, it is tricky because we have cloud from both above and below the sun. The clouds above the sun are highlighted at the bottom and shadowed at the top. Its color similar to the sky, from darker blue or purplish at the top to the orange or reddish at the bottom. The clouds that are below the sun will be opposite of the one that above, where you have highlights the top. Its color will go from the orange yellowish at the top and down to the darker blue and purple at the bottom, shadowed at the bottom.